The 3MA Cross Binary Options Indicator uses a time-tested approach to crossing moving averages. However, unlike other indicators, it offers its users several operating modes, two of which we will consider in this video review. The 3MA Cross Indicator and our customized template are installed in the standard way in the MetaTrader 4 platform. The link to download the archive with the indicator, as well as instructions for installing it, can be found in the description under this video. The 3MA Cross Binary Options Indicator, as is clear from the name, generates trading signals at the moment of crossing of moving averages. As you probably know, this is not only the most popular but also the simplest method of technical analysis, which binary options traders use to determine the direction of the trend. In the simplest version, two moving averages are used. However, the indicator that we will consider today uses three exponential moving averages with different calculation periods, 5, 15, and 50 candles. What are moving averages for? Moving averages allow you to visually assess changes in price behavior over different time periods. At the same time, short averages are more sensitive to these changes than long ones, which reflect a long-term trend. Now let's figure out how signals are formed at the intersection of moving averages. It's very simple. A signal to buy call options occurs when the short average crosses one of the long ones from the bottom up. For put options, the situation is the opposite. A signal to buy them occurs when the short average crosses one of the long ones from the top down. The 3MA Cross Binary Options Indicator generates three types of signals at the intersection of fast, medium, and slow moving averages. Each of them is displayed on the chart with its own icon. In the video review, we will use two types of signals, intersections with the medium and long moving averages. As you can see, the signal to buy put options at the intersection with the medium moving average is marked by the 3MA Cross Indicator with a red diamond, and at the intersection with the long moving average with a red arrow. For buying call options, similar signals are marked with a blue diamond and an arrow. Now let's look at the settings of this indicator. They include two main blocks. The main one, where you can set the calculation period and select the type of moving averages, and the block for visualizing trading signals. Now let's look at the rules of binary options trading using this indicator. As we have already found out, the 3MA Cross Binary Options Indicator generates many trading signals without redrawing. You can filter out some of the false signals using trend indicators, but in this video review, we will not use them, and for simplicity, we will leave them in the default 3MA Cross settings. To buy call options, you need to 1. Make sure there is an upward trend. The moving averages should be located one above the other in ascending order of their calculation period. 2. A blue diamond or arrow should appear. 3. At the opening of a new candle, buy a call option. To buy put options, the following conditions must be met. 1. The moving averages are located on top of each other in descending order of their calculation period. The market is in a downward trend. 2. A red diamond or arrow appears. 3. At the opening of a new candle, we buy the put option. We recommend setting the expiration time of transactions to 3 candles. However, this does not mean that this expiration period will work equally well with all assets. Therefore, we advise you to select the holding period of positions depending on the selected financial instrument and the results of testing on historical data. Now we will demonstrate the 3MA Cross Indicator in real time so that no one doubts that its signals are not redrawn. We have established empirically that the best signals of the 3MA Cross Indicator are formed at the moment of resumption of movement along the trend. It is even better if at the moment of such a signal there is an intersection of two moving averages. Two marks will appear on the candlestick chart at once, a rhombus and an arrow. In general, 3MA Cross is a fairly simple and understandable technical indicator. Knowing how to use it correctly will help you understand how trends emerge in the market and how you can make money from them. Conclusion. The 3MA Cross Binary Options Indicator is based on a simple, but at the same time very effective method of technical analysis. With its help, binary options traders will be able to determine not only the direction of the trend, but also the best moments for concluding transactions. However, despite all the advantages, always remember the disadvantages of this indicator. Use additional filtering methods to increase the percentage of profitable transactions. And remember that any indicator is just a tool that you need to learn how to use correctly. Be sure to check its operation and test it on a demo account of historical data while not forgetting about the rules of risk and capital management. And also choose only proven brokers, which can be found on our website in our regularly updated rating. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website, and you will be constantly up to date with the latest news from the field of binary options trading, cryptocurrency, and the Forex market. Thank you all for your attention. We wish you all good profit and safe trading.